AquaBead Drywall Corner is a revolutionary professional corner bead that is easier to cut and faster to install than traditional corner products. Just spray with water and stick it to the wall. It's that easy. AquaBead makes it easy to get straight, crisp lines without the hassle of using screws or nails. AquaBead contains a proprietary adhesive and will adhere to the wall without the use of drywall compound. To ensure proper adhesion, make sure the drywall corner is cut cleanly and is free of excess dust. Simply measure the length required and use light-duty snips to trim. AquaBead gives a clean, straight edge without the need to bend or straighten. You can even use a miter saw to cut multiple lengths at the same time. When you are ready to spray the AquaBead corner, make sure you use clean tap water. Dirty water will inhibit proper adhesion. To ensure proper coverage, use a simple garden sprayer or handheld spray bottle. Hold the corner and spray slowly from top to bottom. If you miss spraying an area, the adhesive won't activate properly and there is a possibility the corner edge could lift after installation. Food coloring can be added to the water to make it easier to see where the water has been sprayed. Once sprayed, do not wipe the corner as it can remove the adhesive. AquaBead's adhesive activates in 15 to 60 seconds and is ready for installation. It is critical to wait for the adhesive to activate. You can determine if it is ready for application, as the adhesive should be sticky to the touch. If the bead has dried before installation, simply spray with water and wait for the adhesive to activate. When installing, simply press the AquaBead corner on the wall. You can do this by hand or by roller. Make sure to apply firm and even pressure, so the corner lies flat against the drywall. Once installed, you only have to wait 30 minutes before finishing with all-purpose or finishing joint compound. AquaBead is available in 4 standard profiles, providing fast, easy installation and outstanding performance every time.